Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Black Corny. Today I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this flawless look. Stay tuned and please guys subscribe to my channel if you've not done that. I love you guys. Just subscribe and be part of the family. So first off, I've done my eyebrows. I use classic brow pencil, elegant concealer to conceal it. So this now I'm using my Kiss Beauty eyeshadow primer to prime my eyes before my eyeshadow process. So I'm using my Zikel powder palette to do my base. So you have to blend that in properly for it to be smooth. So I'm using my Beauty eyeshadow palette, for this. This is the first coating. You have to coat it for it to come up to what you actually want. Yeah. That's my teardrop. So still using my Zikel powder palette to highlight under of my brows, so my eyeshadow can pop as well. My brows can pop, my eyeshadow can also pop. So this is actually, I'm using this to still blend out the excess from my base. I conceal my eyeliner for it to be neat. You clean up the excess eyeshadow on your face. So to moisturize my face, I'm using my Zikel 24 karat gold. Yeah, I'm using that. I wish this was real gold. Pure gold. Foundation, I use Kiss Beauty and Classic HD. So this, I'm using my LA Girl Pro concealer to conceal. You blend it in gently. So my baby S-Pond, I use S-Pond LA. What am I saying? This is my Zikel powder. So this is not too dark and not too light on me. It's my perfect shade. So for highlighting, I use my S-Pond. I did a video on my S-Pond review. Go check that out, guys. Yeah, go check it out. So you dust out the excess, like not really the excess, you just dust out the, after letting it set, you dust out the S-Pond. If you've not seen how I did this, go check out my S-Pond review. So I'm still using my Zikel, the darkest shade, to contour. Yeah, I love using it. This is still my Zikel blush. You don't want this to be much. I love doing it. I love it. So you blend it in. I feel good already. You all know I can die for Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kids palette. I love this with all my life. A little bit of this makes your brows pop. A little bit of it. You can see the difference. Here you go. Yeah, go. I'm feeling myself, don't worry. Oh, yeah. So the down, just a little extension of my eyeliner. For the eyeliner pencil, I'm using Huda Beauty. Lip pencil, still my eyebrow pencil. This is classic, and the shade I think 3 brown, and the shade brown. V Beauty lipstick, I can die for this as well. This is how to line your lip. Sorry guys, I was using the mirror to cover. I'm really sorry, but it's still showing. I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer to do this. I think I'll have to do a video on how to line. How to conceal your lip. If you want that, please drop your comment below. Don't worry, I talk too much. Then just use your powder brush to blend it in a bit. Don't let it get to your lipstick. Yeah, you can use your pinky finger to do that. Apply bronzer on your lip if you don't want to use a brush. I'm so fine. So sorry guys, on my next video I think I'll be showing you guys how to do your bottom lash. Yeah, how to fix your bottom lash and how to line your lip. Just drop your comment if you want that. Girl, you're so beautiful. So my Glam Girl Fix Spray, and let it dry. Check this girl out. Just check it out. Hold on. Oh girl, what did you say? This is Black Corny, guys. Thanks guys. See you all